All right, we've been holding on to this one for quite a while. If you guys follow us, you would have seen some teasers on this. Here we have a full, complete Mansory Spectre. This thing is badass. It is a full forged carbon weave. As you can see, this is all special order from Mansory. It is not the regular carbon fiber weave. This is the forged carbon, which looks really, really nice on the Rolls Royces, like the Phantoms, the Cullinans we do. Every piece that Mansory makes on the exterior, we bought it. You won't see one like this anywhere else in the United States. We have the hood, full forged carbon. It has these little bumps on the sides, so that's a little design to it. But other than that, it's the same shape. We got the front, 3 pieces right here. We got the C trims, we got the LED, and we got the bottom spoiler. That's all done up in the front as well. Looks incredible. I mean, really, really mean front end. And adding an LED that matches this is really crucial. We come over here and we have the Mansory 24-inch full face wheel. As you can see, this is pretty popular, especially on the Rolls Royces, and it looks incredible. And these obviously hand painted here at RDB. You see the blue, it says Mansory in blue. You got the Mansory ring, all that stuff. So looks incredible. We pan over to the fender, and then the fender has this big old Mansory trim right here. Beautiful. We got the bottom side skirts. Beautiful right there, all forged carbon, again exposed. And then we come here and we have these really awesome window trims right here. As you can see, that looks incredible. That is a design idea from the Cullinan that Mansory does as well. So really, really nice. We got the roof spoiler, we got the trunk spoiler. We have the taillight covers right here too. These look really, really nice too. Goes really good with the body line, the shape. And then we have that really massive rear diffuser. This thing is incredible, really changes the whole back end of this car, makes that electric luxury car look a little bit more sporty, aggressive. It has the brake light down there, as you can see here. Really, really cool stuff from Mansory. This car, believe it or not, is white, okay, underneath. This is a full paint protection in gloss black. So it has been turned into gloss black. And then as you can see, this blue stripe, that is a wrap as well. So that's all a wrap. Ties it all in together with the interior, which we will go. We got some Mansory stuff in there as well. We got the Mansory door sill right there with the light of Mansory. Incredible. We got the floor mats. These are the really small details that really changes the whole inside. I mean, matching forged carbon, matching to the side skirt, that looks really cool when you're getting in. We also have the Mansory light under the door. So when you open the door, it says Mansory. At night, of course, that's even brighter, but in the daytime, it's still visible. So really cool there. But I mean, door jambs all wrapped, everything wrapped. You can't see any of the white. But I mean, look at this car. It's lowered to perfection. However, these cars do not have the button that goes up and down. So when we slam them, this car right now is a little bit bouncy. For photo shoot video, it's okay, but for daily driving, we gotta raise it back up a little bit. We cannot put it in the low mode, parking mode like the old Wraiths and Ghosts and Phantoms. This doesn't have that control. So right now we have it lowered a lot. This car needs a lot of lowering to close up the gap because it's so big, but that looks truly incredible right there. But yeah, I think this is the baddest Mansory Spectre I've ever seen. Let us know your thoughts. Ladies and gentlemen, we are driving the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G63 AMG. Pretty exciting because this is a very popular car for us. And The G-Wagons haven't changed much, obviously, over the last, I don't know how many decades. So they did all the right upgrades, in my opinion. The interior has now that S-Class interior screen. So that whole screen in the front is beautiful now. It does not have that ugly little screen. It's really, really nice. The dashboard, perfect. The steering wheel is upgraded. It looks insane. Now it's mimicking more of the performance Mercedes-Benz vehicles. The bumpers are different. Some of the roof line is different. The front grille a little bit. Side skirts, now finally you can get the black package. It comes black. There was always chrome before and they were a little bit thicker, so they changed that. There's a new performance package with a upgraded suspension if you get that. Currently has 13 miles on the dash. Taking it out for a small spin. We're gonna get started on this thing right away. I mean, literally there's only a handful of these released to customers. This one was bought for a reason, and that reason is to make it a Brabus 700 Widestar. Putting the entire Brabus kit, everything they have available, we got. There's a few little tidbits that are not even ready from Germany yet, so we'll be missing a few little things, but the majority of it, we got it. A lot of stuff. It's a fully new Brabus kit. We're also doing the new Brabus ZV 24-inch wheels. Really, really nice wheels. We're gonna be doing the exhaust system. We're gonna try to lower it, see if we could do anything to lower this thing, even though it's so new and fresh. All of this we're gonna get in carbon, and we're gonna actually make it all matte carbon. So it's gonna be a full matte black car with matte carbon fiber throughout. Right now, if you're lucky enough to be able to get it, you're gonna be probably paying 50 over maybe. So not many cars that are over sticker right now with this market, but this is probably one of them. So pretty crazy to see. Yeah, we're gonna take it back to the shop now and start dismantling it. Literally, car came today. We're gonna start dismantling it for the Brabus kit. We're going to be the first in the United States. I know we say that a lot. It is what it is. You know, we like to obviously claim those rights because we jumped through a lot of hoops to make it happen and then show you guys. So yeah, let's get back to the shop and start tearing it apart.
Friday, you have to look good. You have to look good. Why? What happened?
Over there, he can call you.
You have to fix his hair.
How did it start? It's running pretty good, no? But that's because it's old.
Yeah, it will. It's getting better. It's getting better. It starts!
Where's the steering wheel?
It runs. It runs.
Hey, what was it?
Leave it. Let it run a little bit. Leave it.
Hey, what was it?
Don't press anything. It's going to stop.
Hey, how are you supposed to give him a car? There's no windshield.
We're going to fix it.
How are you going to fix that?
There's no rear windshield either.
Yeah, we'll fix it.
What was
That's
wrong?
it. It runs good. Let him take this fucking thing.
What do you mean take it where? There's no rear glass. Or front, or rear. Or steering wheel. Nothing.
He smiled.
He fucking whacked him in the forehead.
Really? Yeah. He has no... Nine. High, the crazy. And 5 people are insane.
I think it was.
Was it an accident?
Happy now.
No. Maybe, yeah, okay. He said it was an accident.